Alright guys, so we just got the X18 Apollo pit bike. I sold the SSR 140 TR. I'll explain a little bit later, so let's just get this thing unboxed. So here it is from the top view. I got the blue one, like I said. This one's kind of new for me because assembly, you have to put the shocks in. Shouldn't be too hard. They're all scratched up though. Shit. Let's see. Everything else looks good though. Oh, it's dirty though, man. I don't know if that's. Hope everything's good though. That's scratched up. That looks fine. Shit, everything else looks good. So let's well, I got this from Orin Power Sports. I did get the what's it called? The Mikuni carburetor. I think it's right here. Oh yeah, it's right there. Yeah, I did get the Mikuni carburetor from them. They said it's a better choice. Good choice actually. It's right there. I said I got Mikuni before. Hope this is a legit one. So I did get like I said, I did get the Mikuni carburetor. So here it is, Mikuni. I hope it's, the actual one. Hope it ain't no fake. I can't even see because of the light. Yeah, but that's it. Hope it's not fake. We'll install this probably tomorrow. I'll make a separate video on that. So I'm gonna cut the side of the boxes and get this thing started. What I'm gonna do on this bike is take off the suspension. That's what I'm gonna do first, and after suspension I'm gonna take off the front tire, and then we'll start taking off the cage. So let's take off this first, and then I'll get back to you. Got the front tire off, the forks. Next thing I'm gonna do is take out the accessory box, and let's see what's in this fucking little bitch. Let's check it out. What's in this box? Should just come out. Should just come out. Oh shit. I don't know what this bolt came from. Fuck, dude. We'll check it out later. Damn, dude. There's some missing hella bolts. We'll check it out in a bit. So let's open this box up. See what's up. Alright, guys. In this box, we got a toolbox, or toolkit, whatever. The title I think is in here, and the instruction manual, the handlebar, I guess cushion thing. I don't know what it's called. Got the front axle with the spacers, the handlebar risers, I guess you call them. Here's the gas cap. It is. Oh, it's not. Oh shit, it's not. Okay. Oh, that's messed up. I thought it was hold on, put the camera down. In the pictures, it was actually the key one. You put the key in there. Dude, that's nasty. It's all like disgusting. Yeah, but in the pictures, you could put a key in here. That sucks, man. There's no key. Like in the pictures, it said it was you put a key in here. What the hell is this for then? This is a gas cap. Then you got your front number plate right here. Then you got I think this is the brake line, and this is the shifter. And you got some. Oh, this is for this, I believe. So let's go start taking the bike apart and start putting it together, and then shit, it's a big ass bike though. Alright, so first thing I'm probably gonna do is put this on a stand, and then after that we'll figure it out. I'm gonna put the shocks on. Front wheel will be at the end. But damn, this thing is huge. I'm gonna take off the cage real quick, so let's get ready for that. Alright, these screws are so fucking annoying. They're stripping. Look at they're so easy to strip. Like, holy fucking god. Bro, I can't get them out. Yep. Well, X18 for sale in crate. Bro, that shit's stripped out. How do I take this out now? This is a pain in the ass. I'll figure something out. I'll probably just like start kicking it or something. But damn, dude, you gotta be careful, man. This stripped out so easily. Fuck. Well, I guess I'll figure it out in a bit here. So, yeah, catch you guys in a bit. Well, shit, my bad. Alright, guys, only way to take off this frame is to cut the fucking piece of shit. Oh, god damn, dude. Alright, so, found another flaw. What the fuck is this? Dude, what the fuck? Bro, these people don't know how to shit a bike. God damn. Alright, so let me hook this real quick. Oh shit, I need that knife. Oh my gosh, such a tangle. Hold up. Alright guys, so finally got the front shitty ass forks on. I just put them to the red marks because I liked it like that. Oh fuck, hit my back. Alright, so front shocks are on. I'm probably, if I put the front, man, I have no help, man. I have that kid, but he ain't gonna do shit. I have this little ratchet ass stand right here. This is not even a stand, it's a stool. Yeah, you think I can put this on here? Shit, man, this is a sketch. One way to find out, I guess. Alright guys, I'm gonna set up the camera. Probably gonna put the bike on this. I have no choice. So let's see me fail, you know? I fucking hate this bike. This bike is not even fun to make. Alright, so I'm gonna transfer it on there and watch me fail, I guess. Alright, let's do that real quick. God damn it, man. Shouldn't be too bad. Oh my. What the fuck? Dude, hold up. Before we even put this on. This means that they started the bike. Look. Bro, look at that. That means it started it. That's burnt on the exhaust. They actually started this thing. Bro, that's the stupidest thing this company's ever done yet. Oh my god. Come on, man. This bike is having issues by issues. That's so fucked up though, man. That ain't even cool, man. I'm gonna tell him like, yo, did you start this bike? Whatever, let's just put the suspension on. Alright guys, this is a pain in the ass to make, to be honest, if you're alone. Got the front suspension on. It's all fucked up. But, you know, whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna put on the handlebars now. And then I'll come back to you after. I just stopped recording because it was a pain in the ass. All I did was put the front tire on, handlebars, and that's about it. So the bigger spacer goes on the brake side, smaller spacer goes on the other side, and that's about it. All you need to know, you just need 2 people for this, man. This takes, it hurts your fucking arms, man. Like, my hands are all fucked up for 1 person. So what I'm gonna do now is tighten the front axle, set up the front fender, and then you know, tighten everything up and write a bad review on this bike, because this company, there's something wrong with this fucking bike, you know. It's not, it came all scratched up, so we'll figure out what's going on with this. And after I'm done tightening everything up, you know, I'll just come back and put the fender on and stuff like that. So I'll be back. I just paused at the most randomest moment. All I did is, right now I'm changing the oil that came with the bike. All I did was I put the front fender, the front number plate, and the brake guide thing. Other than that, it's pretty easy, man. I just couldn't record because there's a hell of kids around and they were just looking at me and shit. But all I'm doing right now is draining the oil that came with the bike. So I'm gonna put some fresh oil in this and then see you guys on the fucking road.